Hello everybody, and here we are again in the kitchen, and today I am going to show you how to prepare these spices that you can use for yourself, or you can use for gifts. So let's start, and we are going to start here, and I have here with me my assistant that is going to help me, and his name is Donald. So let's go ahead and do this, mix this salt for you. And here we have the Himalayan salt.
Okay, the Himalayan salt is the cleanest salt in the world. Many nutritional and therapeutic properties are in this salt. Then we got the turmeric. And turmeric, it's good for treating arthritis, actually asthma, allergies, and liver disorders, diabetic issues. Also used to treat minor illnesses such as coughs and colds and runny nose. All right, and then you got the organic curry powder. Organic curry powder, it promotes good digestion, it detoxifies the liver, promotes metabolism, and supports good bone health. Oregano is used to cure respiratory ailments like colds and flu. You got ground cumin. It aids in digestion, improves immunity, it treats skin disorders, helps treat anemia, boils, cancer, helps with ailments of cancer and respiratory disorders. Got ground ginger. Ground ginger is full of anti-inflammatory properties. It fights off infections, decreases cholesterol. We got parsley also here, and that's full of many nutrients. It has essential oils and antioxidants. And then I've got some parsley over here. It's full of nutrients, essential oils, and antioxidants. And then we've got onion powder, of course. Onions, they're good for anything that ails you. Onions are good in anything you want to add. We got garlic powder. Garlic powder is it's good management. It manages it for the prevention of cancer and heart disease. And then, of course, you got some black pepper over here. And the black pepper is ground. You don't want it in the full form, so you put it about medium coarse and ground a little black pepper in there. Pepper, of course, is always good to add taste to your meats and whatever you might want to be cooking.
And now everybody, let's mix and make our spices. And to begin with, we are going to put the Himalayan salt. And what happened when you do this spice salt, it will diminish the sodium in the salt. So let's do this. And we are going to throw here some of the pepper, and as we do that, we are going to start mixing. It smells so good, everybody. I wish you were here to smell. And now we are going to put some of the, and you can put as much as you want. I love spices, and I make my own. In this, instead of buying that spices on the store that has GMOs, that has gluten, that has the salt is bleached, you can make your own spices. So here I'm going to put some curry. This lid is a little bit, because the curry is a little bit heavy. It's hard to come out, but it's just to give us look at how beautiful, and the smell is divine here in the kitchen. And let's put some oregano, and like I said, you can put as much as you want. We can put more salt if you like to increase in what you will do there. And let's put some cumin here, and you will put as much as you want. Look at that. And let's put some ginger, and here's ginger. And some of the spices like ginger, it's a little hard to come out, so I'll probably open this and just use and let's keep mixing. And look at how beautiful this is all becoming. And let's put some of, and I am going to remove this little lid so it will be faster for us to do this. And look at this, look at the beauty, the beauty of these spices. And let's put some garlic powder, and you can, oh, I love garlic. So let's put plenty. And look at this. I want to put a little more of this. What you can do is like, look, I prepare here a little vase, a couple little vases here, you know, the jars. And, you know, and here you can put the date that you prepare and here you can write spices, or you can write if you want to give someone as a gift. So let's put it in here and take a look of how wonderful and healthy, because remember, this is not the bleached salt that, you know, the cheap salt, and you can find the salt and all the spices at Sam's Club or Costco, you know, and you can use this to give as a gift. You know, you can, or you can just seal and put in your pantry, you know, to use for yourself. So every time, so this way you don't have to have all these bottles of spices in your pantry. You can make this all, mix all the spices in one jar, and have only one jar in your pantry. See how beautiful? And can you imagine how much your friends would appreciate to have something so beautiful like that? And here we have this the pen that we can write the date, and also can write, you know, spices, or if you're going to give it to a friend, you can write from you to your friend. Here we have the final product, and we put the date, and here we put the little text, seasoning salt. So this is wonderful for a gift, for yourself, you know, for any occasion. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much.